I'm enjoying a lot. I am in home. I can practice with the Spanish people. We have a lot of supporters, so this is a good week for the Spanish player.
I think it's one of the best tournaments in the world. I love the city, I love the food here, I love the people in Spain. They treat me really well every year I came here. So also the crowd, the public is fantastic, and I really enjoy to be here. Yeah.
I've got a very tough draw, and it starts right there in the first round. And I think for me it's important just manage expectations. Obviously I want to do well, but just being back out on the court, just getting one day at a time sort of better is at least for me the biggest priority right now. And it's tough because obviously I want to come here and do well, and that's just naturally going to be there. Obviously you compete, and that's always in the back of your mind. But I think at least for my sanity and just really to stay positive throughout, I think trying to avoid sort of expectations of winning or losing, and just focusing on what I can control is going to be the most beneficial thing for me right now.